My intuition is telling me there'll be better days.
What's up, fam? Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a try-on demo of the new ANASTASIA Beverly Hills Undressed 5-piece lip set. So this includes liquid lipstick and lip gloss in all new light nude shades. You know, I saw a nude lip collection and I had to have it, so I'm really excited to try these on. These look super gorgeous. So if you would like to see how this lip set is, then keep on watching. And if you do like this video, please let me know by giving it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you leave. I do upload videos 3 times a week, Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. So yeah, let's get into the lip swatches. Okay, so it's 4 liquid lipsticks and 1 lip gloss. But that one lip gloss looks really pretty. Alright, the first shade is called Sand. I don't know how I'm going to feel about this one. This is a little bit more like brown toned than I really like. But yeah, this is a little bit more brownish than I like. But I don't know, we'll see. I might be surprised. So I have my lips lined. I use this NYX lip liner in Peekaboo Neutral. So let's go in with Sand. Here, let me do a hand swatch. Oh, that's pretty. Okay. So this is super nude. The lip liner was actually way too dark, but I'm actually kind of feeling it. I wasn't sure how I was going to like it, but I actually think that it's a color I would wear. Okay, so the next one is called Peachy. Ooh, yes. I already love it. Oh. Oh my gosh, I'm so in love with this. This kind of reminds me of like a liquid lipstick version of the Charlotte Tilbury Kim KW lipstick. This is a little bit peachier than that, but just like the paleness of it, that's what it reminds me of. I really like this. Alright, the next one, I'm not sure if it's going to be too dark. No, I don't think it'll be too dark for me. It is On Mute. It might be. It's definitely like a brownish, kind of cool toned nude. Actually, I think I can pull it off. This would be like a really good like lip for kind of like a dark fall look. This is like my version of a vampy lip because I'm so pale. It's still a nude, but it's my vampy lip because I am translucent. Not my favorite so far, but I definitely, it actually looks really good with this eye look. I like it. I'm really excited for this next one. Oh, look how gorgeous that is. This is called Beaming. Oh my god, I am like gagging right now. This is everything. Oh my god. Especially with this eye look. Oh my god. This is by far my favorite. We still have the gloss to go, but yeah, I think, oh my gosh, this is so gorgeous. It's like a beautiful, like metallic, like rose gold, but like a light kind of rose gold with like some pinkish in there. Oh my god. I don't want to take it off. Alright, but we have the gloss to go still, and I'm really excited for that as well. I love the ANASTASIA like glitter and metallic glosses. I forgot to swatch Beaming. Hold up, wait a minute. I mean, look at that. Stunning. Okay, so this is Summer Vibes. But summer is over. So it's a really pretty, like, light pink peach with like gold reflex in it.
That's good.
Yes, I'm feeling this collection, these liquid lipsticks, this gloss. I really like this and would definitely recommend it. I think this is gonna work well for like fair, medium skin tones. I mean, this could really work for all skin tones, you know, if you like nudes, because there is a variety. There's lighter nudes, but then there's also, you know, the darker nude and the gloss anyone can wear, as well as that rose gold one. Oh, so yeah. So this was $40, and I believe they are 18 on their own, so 18 times 5, that'd be like $90. Wait, let me make sure that's right. Yeah, $90. See, I was on the math team. I still got some skills. And yeah, so you pay less than half of what you would for full price. So I definitely think this lip set is worth it. And so does my cat, even though he has a funny way of showing it. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and it helped you if you were debating on whether or not to buy this lip collection. And you know, it's definitely a formula that I love. It's definitely in my top 5 liquid lipstick and lip gloss formulas. If you would like to see all of my like ride or die favorite lip products, you can check out this video right here. And I'm gonna go so I can show my cat some attention so he'll stop crying. Alright, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.